So he's got the slowest vehicle in the whole entire class. It's weighted down with all kinds of crap in the bed. So hopefully he gets the win. He's going to be going up against Matt Green with the spray painted up car with SRT Addicts. Slowest car in the field took out one of the fast guys. Long bed pickle ram got the W. There it is, ladies and gents. The slowest car in the field put a fast car on the trailer. How's it feel to put a fast car away, buddy?
Man, it feels pretty good. I treat him.
What's up, MOPAR fam? I hope everybody's having a blessed day. So, as you can tell, it's loud. Race cars in the background. We are at Rockingham Dragway in North Carolina at the Rock, and we're gonna be racing in the modern HEMI shootout. It's gonna be awesome. We got David Christy up here in Pickle, the green Ram. So there you have it. Like I said, wish us luck. Hopefully we can get that money. Let's see what we can do. David Christy and Pickle coming up. Stock 5.7 with a Mshs cam. Whoop. And he's got long bed. NA. This is for the 1250 class. Let's see where he's at. 1246. He's damn close. Just got to slow it down a little bit more. The left lane's going out. That left side, I think he's starting to lose it. Oh my God, he's right there.
Right there.
He's right there, dude. All right, we got David Christy and Pickle here. He made it. He won his 1350 class. And he is now going up against all the really fast cars and the king of the hill in the modern HEMI shootout. So he's about to make his first pass to King of the Hill modern HEMI shootout. So he's got the slowest vehicle in the whole entire class. It's weighted down with all kinds of crap in the bed. So hopefully he gets the win. He's going to be going up against Matt Green with the spray painted up car with SRT Addicts. All right, here comes SRT Addicts and David Christy up here with Pickle. Slowest truck in the field just took out one of the fast cars, baby. Hell yeah.
Lightweight gets there first. Fly over his 10. It broke out. Big time.
Hell yeah. Slowest car in the field took out one of the fast guys. Long bed Pickle Ram. Got the W. Alright, here we go. Round 2 for King of the Hill. Alright, got Pickle. Round 2, King of the Hill, modern HEMI shootout against this orange Challenger. Slowest truck, slowest car in the field. Took one out, so let's see if we can do it again.
champion, David Christy. Come on, dude.
That one.